Don't forget to subscribe to English and IELTS Mastery Hub.
Welcome to English in Action. I'm your host, Elena.
And I'm Tom. Thanks for tuning in with us today.
Today, we're going to tackle a topic that can sometimes seem a little bit intimidating for English learners.
Intimidating? Oh, I don't think so. They're absolutely everywhere in daily English, and once you start to recognize them, they actually make you sound much more natural.
Exactly. So let's break it down. What is a phrasal verb? Simply put, it's a verb combined with another small word, usually a preposition or an adverb, like on, up, or away.
Right, and this small word can completely change the main verb's meaning. For instance, the verb look means to use your eyes to see something. But if you add the word for, look for means to search.
That's a perfect example, Tom. So today we're going to go over some of the most common ones. We'll give you clear examples and lots of practice. Ready to jump in?
I'm ready to get started. Let's do it.
All right. Our first verb is get. It's incredibly common in English. Let's start with a daily routine. Tom, what time did you get up today?
I got up at 7 this morning. I'm not really a morning person, so it's always a bit of a struggle for me to get up.
I completely understand. So get up means to get out of bed. Simple, right? To our listeners, think about what time you usually get up.
Okay, so after I get up, I have to take the bus to the studio. I get on the bus just down my street.
And when you arrive at your stop, you get off the bus. So we use get on for public transport, like buses, trains, and planes.
Get on the bus, and then its opposite is get off the bus.
Exactly. They're a pair you learn together. Okay, let's do one more with get that's about relationships. How do you and your new neighbor get along?
Oh, we get along really well. He's great. We have a lot in common. To get along with someone means you have a friendly, positive relationship with them.
That's wonderful. And on the other hand, if you don't have a good relationship, you could say, we don't really get along.
Right. Okay, let's quickly go over those again. Get up,
Means to get out of bed,
get on or get off,
to enter or exit public transport,
and get along with someone.
to have a good relationship. Great. I think we're off to a good start.
Me too. What's next?
Okay, next up is the verb put. Let's begin with something we all do every single day. Tom, it was a little cold this morning, so I had to put on a sweater.
Same here. I put on a jacket before I left the house. So put on means to wear clothes.
Correct. You can also put on other things like glasses, a hat, or makeup, but it has another meaning too. When I'm working, I often like to put on some music.
Oh yeah, of course. That just means you start playing the music. So put on clothes and put on music. Got it.
Okay, how about a less fun one? Is there anything you need to do that you keep delaying?
You had to ask. Yes, I really need to do my laundry. I keep putting it off.
So you put off doing your laundry. Put off means to postpone or delay doing something.
Exactly. I always put off tasks I don't enjoy. I tell myself I'll do it tomorrow.
I think we all do that sometimes. It's called procrastination. So after you finally do your chores, what do you do with all your things?
Well, when I'm done, I have to put away my books and clothes. Put away means to put something back in its correct place, like a bookshelf or a closet.
That is a very useful one, especially for parents. I can imagine them saying, kids, it's time to put away your toys.
Definitely. Okay, time for a recap of put. Put on.
Means to wear clothes or start playing music.
Put off.
To delay or postpone.
And put away.
To put something in its proper storage place. Fantastic! Now let's move on to our final verb for today, look. This one has so many great phrasal verbs.
It really does. Let's start with a classic. Oh no, I can't find my phone. I need to look for it.
And I'm looking for my keys. So look for means to search for something you've lost or something you need.
Right, searching. Hopefully we find them. What about taking care of something?
Ah, great one. My friend is going on vacation next week, so I'm going to look after her cat.
So that means you're going to take care of it, feed it, and make sure it's okay. To look after means to take care of someone or something, like a pet, a child, or even your plants.
Exactly. Now, how about an event you are excited about? I am really looking forward to the weekend.
Me too. I'm looking forward to watching the big game. Look forward to means you're feeling happy and excited about something that's going to happen in the future.
It's a very positive and friendly expression to use in conversations.
Definitely. Okay, last one for look. If a student doesn't know the meaning of a new word, what should they do?
They should look it up in a dictionary, or more likely these days, look it up online.
Perfect. So look up means to find the piece of information, usually in a reference book or on a computer.
You got it. Let's do a final look recap. Look for,
It means to search,
look after,
means to take care of,
look forward to,
means to be excited about a future event,
and look up.
means to find information. Excellent. I think our listeners are really catching on.
I think so too. Okay, now for the most important part. We've learned a bunch of new phrasal verbs. Let's try using them in a natural conversation to see how they sound.
Let's do it. So, Elena, I know you said you're looking forward to the weekend. Do you have any big plans?
I do. My sister is visiting, so I'm going to be looking after my niece and nephew on Saturday morning.
Oh, that sounds like a lot of fun. What time do you think you'll have to get up for that?
Oh, definitely early. I'll probably have to get up around 7. After we have some breakfast, I'll need to help them put away all their toys before we can go to the park.
That makes sense. Are you going to drive there or get on a bus?
We'll probably just walk since it's not too far. What about you? Didn't you say you were putting off cleaning your apartment?
I was, but I'm happy to report that I finally did it. So now I can relax. I'm meeting up with a friend for lunch. He's new in town, so I was looking for a good restaurant to take him to.
Oh, nice. Did you find one?
Yeah, I had to look up some reviews online, but I found a great little pizza place downtown. I think he and I will get along just fine.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that. Is it a fancy place? Will you have to put on nice clothes?
Nah, it's pretty casual. Just a shirt and jeans. I won't have to put on a suit or anything. And after lunch, I think I'll just go home, put on some music, and read a book.
That sounds like a perfect weekend plan.
It really does. You know, we just used a ton of those phrasal verbs. Great idea, Elena. Take is another one with a lot of great phrasal verbs. For example, when you get home, you might take off your coat.
Absolutely. Before we wrap up with a final review, I think we have time for a couple more common verbs. What do you say, Tom? How about we look at the verb take?
Let's do it. With get, we had get up. Great idea, Elena. Take is another one with a lot of great phrasal verbs. For example, when you get home, you might take off your coat.
Get on and get off.
And get along with.
Then with put, we learned put on
Put off.
and put away.
And finally, with look, we had look for.
Look after
Look forward to.
and look up.
Wow, that's a lot of new vocabulary, but they're all so useful. The best way to learn them is to try and use them yourself.
That's the absolute key. So here's your homework from us. Pick just 1 or 2 of these phrasal verbs and try to use them in a sentence today. You can write it down or just say it out loud.
Yeah, practice is everything. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. You can even try to look up other phrasal verbs with get, put, and look. There are plenty more out there.
That's a great idea, Tom. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for joining us on English in Action.
We're already looking forward to our next episode. Until then, keep practicing. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to the English and IELTS Mastery Hub for more great content.